Hello everyone. So inside this video we are going to discuss about integers. So in previous video we discussed about even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, natural number and whole numbers. So similarly integers are types of number. So at first we will see what topics we are going to discuss about inside this video. So look, learn what integers are. At first we will understand what are integers. Then understand positive and negative numbers. Means we will see that which type of numbers are positive and which types of number are negative. Then compare and order integers. Then we will compare the numbers means according to their positive and negative sign. Next, practice operations with integers. At the end of explanation, we will see few questions or we will solve a practice exercise. So don't quit this video in mid. So let's start. If any student wish to take our personal help and guidance, so kindly WhatsApp us on this WhatsApp number. First, integers. So integers, I have told you types of numbers. What types of number? Group of positive and negative numbers. Means in integers we will put positive and negative both types of numbers. So that's why the group of positive and negative numbers called integers. Look here, example, there is minus 100. This is negative number. How you are saying this is negative number? Because negative or minus sign in front of 100 and this is plus 1. Got it? So this is positive numbers. Why? Because the plus sign in front of 1. So that's why we are saying this is positive numbers. And look here, 0 included. Group of positive and negative numbers and 0 also included in integers. Got it? Means you can see here these are integers. Got it? Next, look here, this line without fractions or decimals means suppose there is a fraction 2 over 3. So, is this integer? No, this is the fraction. This is the fraction. This is the also types of numbers. And look here, 0.7. Is this integer? No, this is not integer. This is the decimal number because point is available here. So, that's why we can't say these are not integers. This is fraction number and this is decimal number. These are different. So we will learn about complete fraction number and decimal number in separate video. Okay. So next, compare and order of integers. Now we will compare. You have understood about positive and negative numbers. We say this is positive, this is negative according to their sign. Got it? And where we will see sign? In front of number. Suppose there is 2. So what type of number is this? This is positive number because when there is no sign, so we say this is positive number because when we write counting numbers like 1 2 3 4, so we do not put here plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 because this is positive. These are positive numbers. Okay, so but in negative numbers we will see the sign of number like there is minus 2. So look in front of number, not behind. In front of number there is negative sign, so that's why we are saying this is negative number. Understood? How will you identify this one is positive number and this one is negative number? So at first, on a number line, at first understood this number line, this is the number line of integers. So in mid and in center there is 0. We put 0 here and right side of 0 we see that these are positive number. These are positive number because there is no negative number in front of 1 or there are no negative numbers in front of these numbers. So that's why we will say these are positive numbers. So in right side of 0 positive numbers and in left side negative numbers. You can see here left side negative, right side positive. And now values, when number move left to right, when number move left to right, the value will be greater. Value will be greater. And when right to left, suppose there is number minus 1 and this is moving left side, got it, and this is -4. So value will be smaller, or we will say this is the smaller number than this one. Look, this is 1 and this is -2. So we are moving left side. We are moving left side. So that's why we will say -2 is smaller than 1. Got it? Because number is moving left side. Similarly, suppose we are moving from -6 and we reach at +6. So we are moving right side. So that's why this right side number is greater than this left side number. Okay. This is the one way to identify which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now I will explain. Suppose there is +16 and there is -17. So which one is greater? Which one is greater? First, this is the positive number and this is a negative number. Positivity is better than negativity. Got it? So that's why you can understand this is positive. So that's why this is greater number. Understood? Next, look here. There is another number 0 and -100. Got it? Now look here. One person is neutral and another one is in negativity. Another one in negativity. So which one is better, neutral or negativity? Neutral value is greater than negativity. Got it? So that's why you will say 0 is greater than -100. Next, there is another number -200 and this is 1. So which one is greater? Obviously, this one. Got it? And now suppose I put here minus sign. So which one is greater now? This is the at first look number. This is 200 and this is 1. In prospect of number, 200 is greater than 1. But 200 has more negativity than 1. So that's why we will say -1 is greater than -200. In case of negative numbers, there is opposite sign. Means greater numbers value will be smaller and smaller numbers value will be greater. So you can identify in this way. There is two way, left to right on number line, and second one is value. Okay. Now operation. Operation is in mathematics there are four types of operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will see operations of integers. Got it? Not numbers, integers. Integers means positive and negative numbers both. Got it? So look here. At first we will see addition. You can see here there are three signs, means these are integer sign and this one is addition because we are learning about addition. So look here, we will, if we take two positive numbers, if we take two positive numbers and we add them, so what will happen? We will add, directly add the numbers because this is positive and we have to add positive positive, complete environment positive. So we will add 4 plus 2 6 is the correct answer. Next, look here. For when we will have two negative integers and we will have to add, so what will happen? So suppose there is -4 and there is -6 and we have to add these two integers. We have to add these two integers. So that's why we will put add sign in mid of these integers. So now look here. When we will have two negative integers, two negative integers, so what will happen? Add. What will happen? Add. In case of two similar sign, we will add the number. We will add the number. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. What will be the sign of resulting number? Negative. Minus. Understood? Now, look here. When two positive numbers, when two positive integers, we will add and sign will be also positive. When two negative numbers, add definitely and sign will be negative. Means sign follow integers also. Got it? And we will add. Why? Because both integers are in similar sign. There is positive, negative, take difference like this. So what are positive? Positive means we have to check the sign. We have to check the sign. Means at first we will add, then we will check sign. Got it? Now different positive, negative. What will happen when we will have one positive number and one negative number? So easy, all time subtraction. When we will have one positive, one negative, all time subtraction. So look here, there is, suppose there is -3 and another one is 6. So what will happen? So I told you one positive, one negative, subtraction directly. So remove 3 from 6. So we will get 3. Now it's turn to sign. What sign we will put here? So we will put positive sign because we put sign here according to the larger number. So which one is larger? 6 one is larger number, and what is the sign of 6? Positive sign. What is the sign of 6? Positive. So that's why the resulting number sign will be also positive. So overall, when we will have two positive numbers, add and sign will be also positive. Next, when we will have two negative numbers, means number will be add. We have to check two things, number add and then sign also negative. Got it? And in case of when we will have positive and negative number, so all time subtraction, but sign, the resulting numbers sign depends on larger number. Now look here, there is plus 7 and here -8. So at first look, two types of integers, one positive, one negative. So number will be subtract. So answer will be 1. Now what will be the sign of this resulting number? So obviously minus, because 8 and 7. 8 is greater than 7, and what is the sign of 8 here? Minus. So that's why we will put minus sign here. Understood? Now you can confuse in one thing. Look here. You will say, ma'am, in previous slide you said that suppose there is -2 and there is -4. So -2 is greater number. So now you are saying there is +7 and -8 and -8 is greater. No. In case of operation, you will see only numbers. You will see only numbers. Now compare which number is greater. Then you will see the sign of number and you will put in resulting number. Multiplication. So look here, multiplication. When we multiply the number, so that's why for multiply, we will write multiply in mid of integers. So what will happen when we will have two same positive integers? What will happen when we will have two positive numbers and we will have to multiply these number? So no problem, you can easily multiply the number. Next one will have, what will happen when we will have minus and minus, means negative integers. When negative integers will multiply, so what will happen? Suppose there is -2 and there is -4. So what will be the answer? So look here, in multiplication, at first you will multiply the number. Then 4, 8, 4 to the 8. Then look here, there is one negative number and another negative number. So in case of multiply, we can balance the negative numbers. So we can cancel out and we have positive numbers also, because there is no negative sign now. So your answer will be positive. Means suppose there is -2, -3 and -8. So look here, what will happen? At first, multiply the number. 6, 2 3 ja 6, 6 8 ja 48. Then now it's turn to sign. This is minus, this is minus. Balance. Got it? But there is one negative sign remaining. So what will happen? The answer will be negative, because there is one negative sign remaining. When you will have paired negative number, so you can balance, but there is one unpaired. So because of this unpaired, the complete answer will be negative. Now this is the example: -2, -1, -3 and 1. So at first multiply numbers. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6. So the 6 number is 6. Now integer, sorry, sign. Negative, negative will be cancel out. Negative, negative will be cancel out. Got it? So there is no negative sign. So answer is positive. Understood? Means you have to check pair of negative sign. Got it? Next one is what will happen when one positive and one negative integers will multiply? So minus 3 plus 4. You can write this one like this. Minus 3 multiplied by 4. Got it? So what will happen? At first multiply the numbers. 4 times 3 is 12. Next, one positive, one negative. There is no pair of negative sign. So that's why the complete answer in negative. Means one positive, one negative, the answer will be negative. Understood? First question is on the number line, which number is greater? So look here, all numbers. This is 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. First thing you can easily understand, all are negative numbers. And this is 0, neutral. Means neutral value is greater than negative value. So that's why the correct option is D. And second one is start at minus 2 on the number line, move 5 steps right, where do you land? So this is the number line, got it? And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So starting from minus 2. So this is the minus 2 and move 5 step right. We have to move right side. Got it? Right side. How many steps? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps completed. So we are in positive 3. Got it? Positive 3. So correct option is B. But there is another way to find this answer in easy way. So suppose you are starting at minus 2 and you are moving right side. You are moving right side and right side value is greater value. Increase. Got it? So that's why we will put positive sign here. Suppose there will be left side. So left side value will be decreased. So we will put negative sign here. So but for this question we will put add sign because we are moving right side. And how many steps? 5 steps. So we will write here 5. Now you know one negative integer and one positive integer. All time subtraction. All time subtraction. So 3 and now it's turn to sign. So you know that the resulting sign depends on greater number sign. So which one is greater? 5 is greater than 2. So that's why the answer's sign will be positive or plus 3 is the correct option. Next one, which of the following arranged in ascending order? At first, ascending order means smaller to greater. Got it? So look here, this is plus 3, greater value. Then this is a minus 1, smaller value. So wrong because we need smaller to greater. Second one is minus 4, smaller value. Then this one. Got it? Then this is the smaller value from 0. This is the smaller value than 2. Means the numbers are arranged in ascending order. This bigger value, then this is less than this one, then this is less than this one, then minus 4 less than minus 1. Next in this case, look here, this is the neutral and this is the negative. So neutral value is greater than this value, the wrong answer. Now this is negative, this is positive. This is the smaller value and this is the greater value. Again there is smaller value. So not correct answer. Next one is if you start at plus 4 and move 7 steps left on the number line, where will you land? Start from 4 and 7 step left. How many steps? 7. Why? Why I took negative sign here? Because moving from left side. So for left side we will take here negative sign. So answer will be minus 3. Why? Because one positive, one negative, all time subtraction, and sign depends on greater number. The greater number is 7 and sign of 7 is minus 3. Sorry, minus. So that's why answer is minus 3. Next one, which number is greater? Look at this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 9. This is the smaller number and minus 2 is greater number. So you have to find greater number. So minus 2 is greater number. You know that all are negative numbers. So in negative numbers, opposite same. Now it's turn to mini test. Read these questions carefully and try to identify and try to find the answer of these questions by yourself. If you face any problem in any question, so you can leave your message in comment box and I will reply your answers. So if you enjoy the video, so like and share among your friend circle. Till then, bye bye. See you in next video.